What's going on, everybody? This is Coach coming at you today. Untouchable Customs. We in the shop once again. It's been a couple of weeks, maybe 3, not sure. But I'm here today to do a little bit of work. Gonna continue to work on the rear end on Jock. My paint came in. I talked to Chris this morning for a long time. I'm going to take the center section out today. There are some, not sure what these are called. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but these go in here, and I'm going to take the ones out and put these new ones in. I took the axles out and had new bearings put in at a place in Michigan. As you can see there, the new bearings are on the axles. Place in Michigan is near Roseville. Can't think of the city right now. Really good place. They do a lot of stuff like the axles, rear gears, those sort of things. They specialize in that. The price is pretty good. They charge me $60 to do it. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take the center section out, and I'm gonna change those things on the outside. Then I'm gonna wipe it down. I don't have the gun to paint it just yet. I gotta go pick it up from Chris tomorrow. But at some point this week, I'm gonna go ahead and paint that so it could be. Gonna paint it black. All of this will be black. This will be black. This here will be gray or silver. That's what it is in the pictures that I've seen. So, but this is the paint that I got. This SEM Trim Black 39144, I believe it is, or something like that, number like that. But it's the paint that is used to paint the rear ends on Mopars. So, from what I'm told, I'm no expert, don't claim to be one. I just try and watch TV and listen to a lot of conversations and take notes. So by no means am I an expert. But there's some car shows coming up. Autorama is next week, March 2nd and 3rd, or 1st, 2nd and 3rd, something like that. Then the World of Wheels will be in Chicago for the following week at the Stevenson Center, I believe. Autorama in Detroit is at the Cobo Center. It's called something else now, One Arena, Arena One or something. But it's the old Cobo Center right in downtown Detroit, right there by Belle Isle. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'll be back in a little bit. Well, that looks pretty old and needs to be cleaned up some kind of way. There's absolutely no fluid in there. So, I mean, it looks pretty clean, but I don't know. At any rate, there was only 3 nuts holding it, and it's pretty easy to come out other than being heavy. So, on to the next thing. Stay tuned.
Nah, for real. Doing what I said that I would do, cause I was for real. They do this shit for real, I didn't do it for real. I was in love, but it ain't for real, not for real. Ain't making love no more, like the Drew Hill. Tell me what you want, nah, make it happen for real. I have my head like I'm Cisco, blowing big goes in your zip code. That shit don't flow, how did it go? Nah, for real. I gotta know if you for the fold. Nah, for real. Let's go for sure, cause we had different goals. Nah, for real. I was my back, cause anything goes. Nah, for real. I done been broke, done on my hoe. Nah, for real. I did the work, then I did the most. Nah, for real. I get a drown, but I stay afloat. Nah, for real. Take time to reflect, keep me a check, just so I can hear you. I gave him my whole heart. Nah, for real. I've been down from the start.
So right here, as you can see, I am trying to knock out the inner seals, but I didn't have much luck. So I didn't want to just destroy the seal because I wanted to keep them even though I'm not going to use them. So I'm going to have to revisit this next time. And then as you'll see coming up, I am cleaning off and brushing off the center section, just trying to knock off some of the rust. It turns freely with no issues, as you'll see coming up. And once I got done with that, I just went ahead and oiled it.